Okay, most of us know that if you divide 3 by 0.01, we convert that into multiplication. Okay, we convert that into multiplication and do it as 3 times 100, so the answer is 300. But one of the students yesterday asked me, well, why is it like this? It's a grade 5 student. Why is it that when you divide by this, it turns into 100? So the explanation, you have to a little bit be more attentive to the definition of 0.01. What is, first of all, 0.01? By definition, this is one part, right? One part out of 100, right? One part of 100 to make a 1. From the whole, I should say, from the whole. Okay, so by definition, we need 100 of these to make a 1. Okay. So let's go back to 3 divided by 0.01. Why is this going to be 3 times by 100? Okay, without not referring to the rule, but actually using this definition here. Well, any number, including 3 here, we can write this as 3 times by 1, right? 3 is same as 3 ones. Okay, divide by 0.01. Now, we can explain that multiplication, it doesn't matter if you have something like 2 times by 3 times by 5. It doesn't matter if you multiply these two first or these two first. And this is called the associative property of numbers. So I told the student, let's take care of this first. But this right here is, by definition, 100, right? Because this is a number that's 100 times smaller by definition. We need 100 of this to make a 1. So that's going to turn into 100. That's why it's 3 times by 100. Okay, let's do a slightly different example. Let's say we have like 0.7 divided by 0.01. Okay, well, how can we explain this? Well, this is still 0.7 of 1. Right, so we can apply the separation of any number you have here, separate that into, we have that much of 1, and then always multiply the back first, or take care of the back first, divide the back first, to turn that into a multiplication of 100. So of course, this is going to be making this 100 times bigger means moving the placement value twice to the right, so it's going to be 70. So hopefully that was an interesting short video about understanding why when you divide something by a decimal value, it turns into multiplication.